Good morning children. Today we will start chapter 17, that is statistics. The formula we will see first. Average, that is also known as mean. The formula is sum of data upon number of data. Median. Median, this is of odd number, that is n plus 1 whole upon 2. Median of even number, that is n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term whole upon 2. See this, it is total whole and here only n upon 2. There is not upon under 1. The mode of the number that has the highest frequency in the score. What is mode? If a person score more number, that is called a mode. Probability is the possibility of occurrence of any event. Now we will see exercise 17.1. See question number 1 of 17.1. In a class, 20 students obtained the following marks out of 5 in their mathematics test. Marks are given. Construct a table for the above using tally method. You have to use a tally method. What is tally method? We will see. We have to make 3 box: marks, tally sign, frequency. What are the marks a student got that you write in the ascending order? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to count 0. How many times is there? That is 1, 2. The tally marks, that is 2. In the frequency you have to write it 2. Now 1, how many times is there? 1, 2. Tally marks 2. Here also 2. Then 2 marks, how many are there? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to write tally marks 5? 1, 2, 3, 4 and cut it. That is 5. You write over here 5. Now 3 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to see 4. How many times 4 is there? How many times 4 is there? Count it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Write it 3. Now 5 how many times is there? That also you have to count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That also 3. What is the total? That is 20. You just roughly count it. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 6, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That means your frequency table is correct. Is it clear? Now see question number 2. The maximum daily temperature of a city in degrees Celsius between 1st April 2005 to 15th April 2005 was recorded as follows. The temperature is given. Construct a table for the daily temperature from the above data using the tally method. Similar to the first question, we have to draw a tally method. What are the 3 things? Temperature, tally sign and frequency. Write the given distribution in ascending order. Now 37.8 how many times is there? You count, that is 2 times. You write over here frequency 2 times. 37.9 how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. You write it 3 times. 38.0 how many times? 2 times. You write it 2 times. 38.1 how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. You write it 3 times. 38.2 how many times it is here? You have to count it. It is 3 times. You write it 3 times. 38.3, 38.3 how many times is there? That is also 2 times. You write it over here 2 times. Now you count and see, it is coming same of this record what it is given. Is it clear? Now see question number 3. The following table represents the result of students of class 6 according to division obtained. Observe the table and answer the following question. What is the first question? The first division 12 students, second division 14 students, third division 10 students, failed 4. What is the first question? In which division do the maximum number of students fall? In which division the maximum number of students fall? That is second division. Second question, how many students appear for the examination? That is 12 plus 14 plus 10 plus 4. You add 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. That means here you have to write 40 students. How many students pass the examination? This fail, don't count it. 12 plus 14 plus 10, that is 36. You have to write over here 36. Is it clear to everyone? I think so. It is very clear to everyone. If you have doubt, you can ask me.